Ryback, Eklund, Joe Anderson, Garrett Skinner, and Nick Netta. Big draw one. Nick Netta with it at the point. Walks it over to Eklund. Eklund walks around back for Netta. Netta trying to find a crease. Played out in front. Nick Netta with a drive blocked out front. Eklund over to Skinner. Skinner back for Netta. Drive out in front of Murray. Still up for grabs. That'll be cleared out of the zone. Garrett Skinner with it. Left-hand side. Trying to find Joe Anderson. That's tipped through. Out of the zone. Back the other way. Love. In on Kyle Miller's shot up over the top. Back the other way, go the Blizzard, left-hand side, Eklund. Sidesteps a check, he'll bring it in. Trying to find Anderson. Ryback over to Zach Kyle, left-hand side. Eklund on a long shift back for Kyle. He and Eklund trying to find Anderson. Garrett Skinner back. Zach Kyle over to Eklund. Eklund with a drive out in front of Murray, steered aside. That hops up over the top. Still 40 left on the penalty to Brown. Zach Kyle will start a rush back the other way once again. Bo Gronseth left-hand side. Helps it up along. Nick Dine down in the corner. Tom Schmidt with it. Played back for Zach Kyle. Over to Ryback. The drive. He scores! One-timer by Aaron Ryback. An absolute bomb for from the blue line. He beats Scott Murray. The roof is about ready to come off his place. Aaron Ryback with an absolute bolo from the blue line. And in Scott Murray's defense with a screen out front.